Hey there, hope you're doing well. In this video, I would like to show you how to increase your digital product sales by making just one specific change to the entire sales process of your digital product selling business, okay? Now, this is assuming everything else stays the same, right? The amount of traffic that you're bringing in from all the different social media platforms or different places that you're promoting, they don't necessarily only have to be social media, right? But assuming all of that stays the same and you just make this one change, it should help you increase your digital product sales. Now, this is something that a lot of rookies and beginners make the mistake of overlooking, right? And then they wonder why they are not getting the kind of traction that maybe they might have seen some other more seasoned digital marketers getting, right? So just making this one change can be the difference, not can be, it will be the difference maker, right? It has been proven over and over, right, that this is going to be a difference maker if you just implement this one change, okay? Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The one change that you need to make revolves around your sales funnel, okay? Like the funnel that you have in place to generate sales sales of your digital product. What most rookies do, right? Most beginners, right? Most people, when they're getting started selling digital products, or whether it's digital products, physical products, just doing digital marketing on, digital marketing, right? And even if it is affiliate marketing, right? What they will typically do is they will go, let's just say it's affiliate marketing, they'll go get their affiliate link, right, of the product that they are, promoting as an affiliate, or even if it is their own product, right, they will get the link of where they have their product housed on the internet, and that is the link that they will put out there to promote, okay? Now, of course, you're looking at me like, well, like, duh, how else are you going to sell? Yes, of course, yeah, you got to put your link out there. But instead of, what most rookies do is they just put that raw link, that direct link right there. It's called direct linking in essence, right? So you'd go create a piece of content on the internet, or whether, if you're assuming you're, driving traffic organically, right? You create your videos, like for example, this video right here, and then you want to drive people to the link of your store where you're promoting, or your affiliate link if you're promoting as an affiliate, and you put the link directly, and people just go click on your link and it takes them straight to the sales page or the storefront of the product that you are promoting, okay? Now, what you want to do instead of doing that should increase your sales, is to put a system in place that enables you to collect emails, right? To collect emails before presenting whatever product that you are selling, okay? It seems counterintuitive on the surface, because when, let's just say you have visitors come and hit your the page in which you're collecting emails, there is going to be a certain percentage of them, for whatever reason, are not going to opt in, okay? Which on the surface, as a beginner, you're looking to get those sales as quickly as possible. So you want as many people hitting your sales page, or your affiliate page, the sales page, or your storefront. You want as many people hitting that page as possible. Okay. That's what you would think on the surface. That's what it looks like. You feel like the more people get to see that page, the more sales you can make. But what you forget, right? What a lot of beginners forget is that when it comes to sales on the internet, right, it takes about 6 to 7, 8, 9, even 10 touch points on average for a person to see a product and then get reminded of it before they actually whip out their wallet to make a purchase, right? There is a trust factor that needs to be built. And that is going to be difficult to build, okay? That is going to be difficult to build if the person is just seeing your page for the first time and then they leave, and let's just say they never come back. Now, if they are on social media and they're following you, okay, there is a good chance, right? They're subscribed to you, they're following you. There is a good chance that they will come back and see your stuff and then eventually make a purchase, right? But if you want to take things to the next level, you want to put a landing page, or a squeeze page, as they would call it, in front of your offer. Okay, so let me show you what that would actually look like right here. Okay, so this is like the process right here. You're gonna want to have something we call a lead magnet, okay, on your, as your landing page. So when you promote, you do all your social media content and all the different stuff that you do, you don't when you lead people to whatever product you're promoting, you don't want to send them straight to the product, okay? You want to send them to a squeeze page, right, which has a lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet is something that we create in order, something that we create that our ideal audience would like to have, right? And it's typically going to be something of value, which is free, okay? And in exchange for getting that particular item, this could be anything. It could be a video, it could be an ebook, it could be a mini course, it could be whatever it is, right? But it's got to be something useful, of value to your target audience. And in exchange for getting that product or that lead magnet for free, they have to give up their email address, okay? And once they give up their email address, they will be able to receive that particular lead magnet for free, okay? Now, once they're on your email list, right, because they gave you their email, right? This is an opportunity now, using what we call an autoresponder, right? Your email autoresponder, to communicate with the subscribers. Now, the subscribers to your email list, right? By providing them with more valuable information, right? Things that can help them, right? And, whatever product that you're promoting that is supposed to help them, right? So that's what you want, and that is what is going to give you the opportunity to have those multiple touch points, right? They see emails coming from you on a regular basis, right? You get to communicate with them, and this is a two-way street, by the way. They can respond. If you can always invite them to ask questions, they can respond to your emails, reply, right? And then you reply back to them, right? And then that's an opportunity to keep on building that relationship where they get to know, like, and trust you, right? So once they enter their email, they'll be taken to what is now known as a thank you page. Now, that thank you page could be the product itself directly, right? You can send them directly to the product after you've got their email, right? Or you can create a page where you introduce yourself, you tell them a little bit more about yourself on that thank you page, with another button underneath to send them to the product that you're promoting if you want to, right? You don't have to promote on that page if you don't want to, but the bottom line is you have their email, and then they now can go receive the free item or the free lead magnet that you offered. And for them, you want to set it up so much so that they go get it from their email inbox, okay? You want to set it up so much so that they get it because if they want that lead magnet, they have to put in a valid email address. Otherwise, they can just opt in directly. And then if, let's say, you have it available right there, if they put in a fake email, of course, they will get they'll get it without necessarily giving up the email. And you don't want people like that on your list anyway, right? If people who are signing up to your list, you want them to be people that want to be on your list. And bear in mind, for people who do sign up, there always should be a link for them to unsubscribe at any time that they want to, okay? You cannot trap people inside your email inbox, right? If there has to be a button there that will allow them to unsubscribe at any time if they get fed up with receiving emails from you, if they feel like they're not getting value from what they're sending, okay? As a matter of fact, if you want to see what that looks like, I have a link in the description below this video. It's going to be the first link under this video. First link in the description under this video, and it's going to be it's going to be a free video. That's what I have there as my lead magnet, right? It's a free video that is going to show you more about the enormous and amazing opportunity that exists right now with digital marketing, and there will also be access to training as well. This will be training that will teach you how to set up this exact same process that I'm showing you right here to build a solid, proper foundation for your digital marketing or digital product selling business, and it'll help you set up the foundation for long-term success. Okay, so once they're on your email list now, right, they go into their inbox, the lead magnet is delivered right through the autoresponder. All this is done automatically in the background. You set it up one time, and it works automatically in the background. That's where you hear a lot of these people talking about like semi, passive income. I like to call it semi-passive income, right? Because there's actually ongoing work that you have to keep on doing, like, promoting, creating content to feed the funnel, right? So that you do have visitors coming through, right? And once they do that, they're on your email list, and then now you can send them emails. And again, these emails can also be set up automatically, right? You can set up what you call an email sequence, right? An email autoresponder sequence that sends out emails periodically. It can be once a day, 2 times a day, or once each day, or once every other day, however you decide you want to set it up, okay? And you can do it that way, or you can have it set up so much so that once they are on your email list, they only receive emails from you when you decide to send a general broadcast to all your subscribers, okay? Or you can have a combination of both, where they receive the automated email sequence as well as the broadcast whenever you do that, right? And they're all different kinds of automations and different things that you can do to reroute your subscribers, whereby if they've gone through an email sequence, you can now put them on a list that shows that they're ready to be sent broadcast emails, right, as opposed to the autoresponder series, right? There's all kinds of things that you can do, okay? But those are all things that you're gonna, I don't want to get too far into the weeds. That's beyond the scope of this video right now. But that is how just this one process, right? This one change in your, in your sales process, in your sales funnel, is going to be the difference maker. Is going to be the one thing that you can do to increase your digital product sales over time. Okay, so they receive these emails, and then there's the place for them to download whatever. Let's just say it was a PDF, an ebook that you decided to provide as your lead magnet, right? It'll be sent to their email, and then there'll be an email they receive with a link for them to go click on the link to go to the page where they can get their download, right? Whether it's a report, PDF, whatever the case may be, or if it's a free mini course that you created, you can just have a link in there directing them to the page where you're housing the free course, right? It could be on your YouTube channel, whatever the case may be, okay? And you can send these emails. You can set them up to, have emails going to your subscribers over the span of, 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, 3 months, a whole year, right? Okay. It's up to you, right? It's all up to you, right? And, of course, you don't have to do it all in one sitting. It's something that you can build over time, but this is an extremely, extremely powerful sales funnel to have, right? Which will automatically get you from rookie stage to like a little more advanced, right? And that will dramatically increase the sales that you'll get in the long run, okay? So if you would like to learn how to do all of this and have this all set up, right, and set up and running and working with your current existing digital product business, if you have one, or if you're starting from scratch, you want to learn how to do all of this to improve your whole process and set yourself up for long-term success, check out that first link in the description below this video. Check out that link and go ahead. Like I said, it's the same process. You can see it working in action, right? Go ahead, subscribe, enter your email address, and then you'll be given access to the free video that will show you what you can really do with digital marketing, right? In terms of like changing your situation, your life, whatever the case may be, right? And then you'll also be given the opportunity to get access to like a comprehensive training that will show you how to give you more details about how this whole process works and how you can set it up in your business. All right. Hopefully that was beneficial. That was something that was of use to you. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a like if you like this kind of content and would like to see more of it. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer. And I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.